Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanviriban. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Android 10 and Lineage 17 in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. So let's get started without wasting time. At first you have to check the description of this video. There you will find a link. So guys, open it. I'm opening the link. I have already copied to my clipboard and opening it with my browser. So here you can see shrink and earn.com page. So here you have to click on I am not a robot. Click on I am not a robot. Ad will come, cancel it. Again click cancel, ad will come. Now you can see done. Now click on continue. Again cancel the ad, again continue. Here you can see new page. Here you have to wait 10 seconds. Here you can see 10 seconds you have to wait. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, counting started. Here you can see Lineage 17. So now click on this get link button. Ad will come, cancel it. Again click on this get link. Here you can see Lineage OS 17.1 for Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Xiaomi Redmi 8. So based on Android 10. So from here you have to scroll down and first unlock the device bootloader. At first the steps you can see pre-requirements. This is Android 10 based Lineage OS 17.5 and supported for Xiaomi Redmi 8 Olive only. You will require to unlock the device bootloader first. You have to unlock the bootloader first. So then you have to install you need TWRP recovery on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and download the TWRP recovery file and file Lineage 17 zip and supported gaps file from below. Keep your device battery charge up to 60% at least for a smoother process. Take a complete backup of your device data without root. In case anything goes wrong, you can easily restore all data. So from here you have to download Lineage OS 17 this, and you have to download Lineage OS 17.1 gaps. Then you have to download and install USB drivers. Then how to install instruction to install TWRP recovery on Xiaomi Redmi 8. So guys, at first let's see how to download Lineage OS 17. Don't skip the video, please watch the full video. Here you have to click on this click here to download button. Here you can see click on this button. Okay, now you have to click on this primary download. Click on it. Here you can see it has started downloading, guys. It has started downloading Lineage 17.1. So now you have to download the gaps. Scroll down here, download. Here you can see the download button. You can download for ARM and ARM64. Click on this download. Here are downloads. You can see I'm downloading. Fixed. Click on this download button, and here you can see open gaps. ARM for 64. You can see nano. Click on this download. It will create a link. Searching for mirrors. Here you can see standby. Searching for mirrors. Here you have to click primary downloads. Europe, Germany one server. Here you can see it has started downloading. So guys, both files are too short, so after that you have to download the drivers. You can see download and install Xiaomi USB drivers. Scroll down here, and from here you have to select your device model. So I'm selecting mine, Xiaomi Redmi Prime, Xiaomi Redmi 8. Xiaomi Redmi 8. Where is Redmi 8? Xiaomi Redmi S2, Redmi 6, Redmi Y3, Redmi Note 8, Redmi. Here you can see Xiaomi Redmi 8. Click on it. So in my country Mega server is not supported. Here you can see I have to connect my VPN from here. Let's see. Okay, connecting my VPN. Fastest server Singapore. Connecting my VPN. After connecting, the server site will be available. That's not connecting. The connection is VZ. You can see. Okay, now I will try to download from Redmi Note 8. Okay, here you can see it has started downloading. So whenever you will face this problem, you have to use this method, guys. That's the tips. Okay, mega file loading. Guys, all the links to download this will be in the description. You can check. Okay, creating download links. We have to wait for some time, guys. Our other downloads are going so fast. We have to wait here for some time. You can skip here. Okay guys, from here you have to download the latest USB driver. I'm downloading it. You can see it has started downloading. 1%, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The server is too fast. 16%, 20%, 25. Okay, save file. Here you can see file saved, guys. USB drivers, you can see the drivers here, everything is here. So guys, that's all. Now we have to install TWRP recovery to our device. So how to install it? Here you can see the instructions to install. So from here, step to install TWRP recovery on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So requirements, so you have to download the super zip and also download the magisk zip. Prerequisite, the guide is to install TWRP recovery on Xiaomi Redmi 8. You need to unlock bootloader on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. You need either laptop or PC. Download the Chainfire zip and charge your phone to at least 70%. Install the latest Xiaomi USB drivers. Download ADB and fastboot tool for Windows. For Mac, click here to download full ADB setup. Download Android SDK platform. Make sure you have followed the steps properly. Don't skip and read. We are not responsible for any damage that you make to your phone. So here you can see full guide to install TWRP recovery, and here is a video how to install it using ADB fastboot tool. So guys, the video will be in the description, you can check. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. So now you have to install this two zips to your Android device. So at first I will recommend you to watch this video. So the video link will be in the description. Please check the video, and then at first you have to install TWRP recovery, then install both two firmwares in your device. Then you will get the Lineage 17.1 Android 10 based OS. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have understand everything nicely. Thank you, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.